Welcome to our new series, Cabin of the Week. This week, the Woodland. So what makes the Woodland kit special? Well, for one, the front wall with all the windows is a great way to add natural light and is also a centerpiece of the home. Other reasons include the layout of the home. It's 2 bed and 2 bath with a loft, with the master being on the first floor and the guest room being on the second. We also recognize that 1,100 square feet isn't always enough space for everyone, which is why customization is such a big deal for us. So here are a couple examples of what modified versions of the kit look like. If you enjoyed this kind of content and want to see more, be sure to check out our Facebook page, Schutt Log Homes, or visit our website, oakcabins.com. Thanks.